Abandoned cart extension. Recover lost sales easily. Tracks abandoned carts and recovers lost sales. Sends automated reminder emails with optional coupons, customizable timing, templates, and follow-ups. Shows cart recovery stats and conversions. Easy setup, no coding required. This is module understanding video of abandoned cart module on OpenCart Store. So first, we have to install the module on the OpenCart Store. To install the module here, we should have a correct FTP. Then you have to log in with the FTP. On the right side, you should redirect to the correct directory where the image system catalog is. When these folders are present, on the left-hand side, you have to open the module which you have installed. Now go to the module folders under which you will find Upload and OC Mode 2 tabs. You have to go on Upload and select all the 3 files and drag it to the right side where the store directory is present. Now the file will get overwrite with the same files and the module will be installed. Once the module is installed, you have to go on the store and open the Installer tab. Here you will find the Upload button. You have to click here to install the OC Mode files. Once you have installed the same, you have to go on the Modification tab to refresh the page so that the OC mode that you have installed will be listed here. Now you have to clear the cache. Go to the Extension tab. Go on the Modules tab. Here you will find your installed module. You have to first install the module. The same will be in the disabled state by default. Then you have to click on Edit button. It will redirect you to the General Settings page. So from here, we will start the module configuration. The first step is to enable or disable the module. If you will enable it, the module will be activated for your store. Then mark Abundant Cart. Here you have to set the time after which Abundant Cart will be marked and listed in your Abundant Cart tab, when you will run the cron. So we have set for the time of 0 days and 0 hours. The next step is to enable the auto email. You have to enable this when the cron will run, and it will share the Abundant Cart or the remainder emails to the users who are required to be sent. Next, we are having the testing mode. Here, if you will enable the testing mode, then all the emails will be sent to the users who have entered the mail. So by default, we keep it disabled. Now, after making the configuration, you have to click on Save, so that the modification that you have made here will be saved and reflected on the front end. Next, we are having the email template. Here you can create the email template related to the discount and non-discount mail. Here we have already predefined with the one. So you just can click on Add New and save the non-discount and discount types. After that, once you have saved, you can edit the same and check for the discount in case you wanted to increase and decrease the discounted price. The subject mail if you want to change. Next, we are having the sealed reminder. This is a reminder that will be sent to the customer if they have not made the purchase of the product they have abundant in the store. So first, you can select the reminder template. Sealed reminder can be sent by the 2 types of the discount mail and with the non-discount email. So first we have selected with the discount email. Now the discount type in percentage or fixed, whatever you require. Enter the discount value. The minimum card on which this discount will be available. The coupon validity will be from. You have to enter the validity in the number of days, in case you wanted to allow the free shipping with this coupon. So you can enable this functionality and keep it disabled. Next is total card value. Total card value should be 100 or more than 100. Then the voucher will be valid. You can enable this reminder. And the delay. Now you have to save. The minimum amount cannot be 0, so you have to save. Now for one, we have created with a discount. Let's create it with a non-discount. Here you just only have to enter the minimum card and enable. Click on Save. Now to remand, it cannot be created with the same delay hours, so you have to make the changes in the timing. The next step we are having of the abandoned cart. Here, you will find the listing of all the abundant cart of your store, in case any of the customer has converted the abandoned cart into purchase order. Then it will be listed from the converted in the converted card list and will be removed from the abandoned cart list. Then you are having the Analytics tab, where you will find analytics of abundant and converted cards. Then coupon whatever is going to be created, while reminder of all the abandoned cart will be listed in the Coupons tab. If they are used and unused, the data will be listed here. So now moving to the front end and check. So here you have to add to cart the products. You have to make the cart abundant on your store. Then with the login or the guest, when the ground will run, it will list all your abandoned carts in the module. So as you can see, here is a button to update the abundant card. Let's just click on it to run the cart manually. It shows a message of one cart updated. So, as you can see that with the today's date, we have updated a cart here. You can check the cart details while clicking on the cart icon, and if the user has updated their email as a guest checkout. Since we are proceeding with the guest checkout, just enter the email. And now proceed to further steps of completing the order, but leave it. Now we have saved the email on the address, and once again, update the cart and refresh. Now, after making the registration on the page, if you will update the abandoned cart list, you will find a message like one cart is being updated and refresh the list now. And you will see the customer details is listed in the customer tab. And you can also send the mails for abandoned cart discount or non-discount, whatever is preferable. Here you can select the discount value, the minimum cart amount, the number of days coupon is valid, and click on send. Now the email will be sent to the user, and in the same user will get the coupon. You have just earned 100% discount on your next purchase. Since we are getting in touch, this is a coupon code which has been provided to get the 100% discount. So in case customer copied this and proceed the order. By completing the order, they will convert their abundant card into converted cart. So let's just place the order once for the cart that we have left. After completing the order, you will find the listing that is mentioned in the abandoned cart will move to the converted cart. As you can see here, just go on the converted cart and refresh the list. The cart that was being registered on the abandoned cart is listed here now. Go on the abundant cart. As you can see, the cart is not mentioned here now since the same is being removed. Now go to the Analytic tab. Here you will find the graph by setting the dates of how many cards have been abandoned and how many cards are converted. So as you can see, the same in the graph. Now move to the coupon here. You will find all the coupons that has been sent, and the validity of them is also mentioned. The status of the shared coupon is used or unused. Also, you can check the same by using the filter. You can enter the code. You just enter it to used coupon, so you will check. Once you will click on filter here, you are having a search result of all the used coupon. And this is a coupon that we have recently used. So this is how the no-band abandoned cart model works on OpenCart Store. Thank you.